Boy. Hi. Is this the self-service laundry? Attendant. Yes, it is. How can I help you today? Boy. I've never used these machines before. How do they work? Attendant. No problem. It's really easy. You just need to put your clothes into the washing machine, add detergent, and choose the wash cycle. Would you like me to walk you through it? Boy. Yeah, that would be great. I'm not sure where to start. Attendant. All right. First, you'll need to sort your clothes by colors. Whites and light colors go in one pile, dark clothes in another, and you should separate any delicates, like silk, from the rest. Boy. Got it. I'll start with that. What happens next? Attendant. Once you've sorted your clothes, you can pick a washing machine. They're all the same, but make sure to check the load capacity so you don't overload it. After that, you can add detergent. Yeah, boy. Okay, I think I'm ready to sort. I've got some white shirts, a few jeans, and a sweater. Should I put everything together or separate more? Attendant. You're on the right track. Your white shirt should be with the whites, and the jeans can go with darks if they're not too light. As for the sweater, check the label. If it's wool or delicate, it's better to wash it separately on a gentle cycle. Boy. All right, I'll separate the sweater from the rest. What about washing jeans? I've heard they can be tricky. Attendant. Jeans can be washed with dark colors, but make sure to turn them inside out to preserve the color. Also, it's best not to wash them with towels or anything too heavy. Boy. I think I'm ready to add detergent now. Do you have different kinds of detergent? Attendant. Yes, we have a few options. There's liquid detergent, powder detergent, and pods. Liquid is the most common and works well for most loads. Powder is great if you're trying to tackle stains, and pods are easy to use but more expensive. Boy. I've used liquid detergent at home. I'll go with that. How much should I use? Attendant. For a normal size load, about 2 tablespoons should be fine. If your clothes are extra dirty, or it's a big load, you can add a little more. Just be careful not to overdo it, or your clothes might come out soapy. Boy. Okay, sounds easy enough. Do I need anything else like fabric softener? Attendant. Fabric softener is optional. It's good for towels, sheets, or anything that needs extra softness. If you're washing workout clothes, though, it's best not to use it because it can reduce their moisture-wicking ability. Boy. I'm washing a couple of towels, so maybe I should add some softener then? Attendant. Yes, that would be perfect for towels. Just a small amount in the designated compartment should be enough. Boy. Okay, I've got the detergent and softener. How do I load the machine now? Attendant. Great. You just open the door and load your clothes in, making sure not to pack them too tightly. You want them to have some space to move around. Boy. Got it. Should I stuff the clothes in all the way? Or leave some space at the top? Attendant. Leave a little space at the top. The clothes need room to agitate during the wash. If it's packed too tightly, they won't clean as well. Boy. All right, I think I've got everything in. How do I add the detergent? Attendant. The detergent goes in the compartment at the top of the machine. Some machines have separate sections for detergent, softener, and bleach. Just put the liquid detergent in the section marked detergent. Boy. Perfect. I've added it. Now what? Attendant. Next, you'll select your wash cycle. The machines here have several options: normal, heavy-duty, delicate, and quick wash. For most everyday clothes, the normal cycle is your best bet. Boy. I'm washing a mix of clothes. Should I just use normal for everything? Attendant. Yes, that should work fine. If you're washing something delicate like the sweater, you might want to choose the delicate cycle instead. Boy. I see a button for heavy duty. Should I use that for the jeans? Attendant. Only use heavy duty if the jeans are really dirty. That cycles for things like work clothes or towels that need a lot of washing power. The normal cycle is usually enough for most jeans. Boy, okay, I'll stick with normal then. I don't want to overdo it. Attendant. Good choice. Now don't forget to check the temperature setting. For most clothes, cold water is fine, but if you're washing towels or sheets, you can set it to warm. Boy, I'll keep it on cold. I don't want to shrink anything. Attendant. That's a smart choice. Once you've set the cycle, just press start, and the machine will take care of the rest. Boy, great. I think I'm all set. Thanks for helping me figure everything out. Attendant. No problem. Let me know if you need anything else. I'll be around. Boy. Excuse me. There's an error message on the machine. It says E3. What does that mean? Attendant. Let me take a look. Oh, it seems the machine is overloaded. You need to take out some clothes. Boy. Oh, okay. I'll remove a few. Thanks for helping. Attendant. No problem. Once you've removed some clothes, just press the start button again, and it should work. Be sure not to pack it too tightly next time. Boy. All right. I'll make sure not to overload it again. Thanks for the advice. Attendant. You're welcome. Sometimes it happens. If you need any more help, don't hesitate to ask. Boy. How long does the wash take? I'm not sure when to come back. Attendant. The normal wash cycle takes about 30 minutes. If you chose a heavy cycle, it could take up to 45 minutes. Boy. Okay, so about half an hour. How long do I need to wait for drying? Attendant. The drying process takes around 30 minutes for a regular load. Heavier clothes like towels may take longer, up to 40 minutes. Boy. Got it. I'll wait here then. Is it okay if I check on the dryer when the wash is done? Attendant. Sure, you can check the drying machines anytime, but make sure to wait until the wash is completely done before you start drying. That way your clothes stay fresh. Boy. Thanks for the tip. I'll just relax and wait then. Boy. My clothes are done washing. How do I use the dryer? Attendant. Great. Just open the dryer, put your clothes in, and close the door. For most clothes, 30 minutes is enough. Boy. Are there different settings for the dryer? Attendant. Yes, there are. We have a normal, high heat for towels and blankets, and low heat for delicates. Check the care labels on your clothes to choose the right one. Boy. I'll choose normal. How much does it cost to dry? Attendant. It's $2 for every 30 minutes of drying time. If you're drying towels or thick fabrics, you might need a little extra time. Boy. Okay, I'll pay for that when I'm done. Do you have any advice for drying clothes? Attendant. Yes. For clothes that tend to wrinkle, try not to overload the dryer. You can also remove them a little early if you like them a bit damp, which helps prevent wrinkles. Boy. Great. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again. Attendant. No problem. Anytime. Boy. Is there a place to fold my clothes? Attendant. Yes, we have a folding station over there. It's near the back of the laundry. You can use the tables to fold your clothes. Boy. That's really helpful. I'll go over there to fold them. Attendant. Feel free to use the station. It's a lot easier than trying to fold them while they're still in the basket. Boy. I agree. I'll fold everything neatly before packing it. Do you have any tips for folding shirts? Attendant. For shirts, it's best to fold them in thirds and then fold the sleeves neatly. That helps avoid wrinkles. Boy. Thanks for the tip. I'll try that. Boy. How do I pay for the laundry? Do you take cards? Attendant. Yes, we accept both cards and cash. You can also pay using our app, which is quick and easy. Boy. I'll use my card. How much do I owe? Attendant. The washing costs $3 and drying is $2 for 30 minutes. So that's $5 in total. Boy. Okay, here's my card. Attendant. Thank you. I'll process your payment now. You're all set. Boy. Great. Thanks for your help. This was my first time using a laundromat, and it wasn't as difficult as I thought. Attendant. I'm glad to hear that. We're always here to help if you need anything in the future. Boy. I definitely will come back. Thanks again. Boy. I'm finished now. Thanks again for all the help today. Attendant. You're welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. Have a nice day. Boy. You too. I'll definitely come back next time. Attendant. Take care and see you again soon. Boy. Goodbye. Write a sentence in English in the comments section below. Find the mistake. Incorrect. I will go to the dryer after my clothes will finish. Correct. I will go to the dryer after my clothes finish. Explanation. In future tense with will, we don't use will after. The verb finish is used in the base form. Incorrect. I put my clothes in the machine, then I started drying it. Correct. I put my clothes in the machine, then I started drying them. Explanation. Clothes is plural, so the pronoun should be them instead of it. 5 vocabulary words. Error message. A warning or notification that something is wrong with a machine or system. Overloaded. Having too many items or too much weight causing problems. Cycle. A complete process or operation in a machine, like washing or drying. Delicates. Clothes that are made of fragile or soft fabrics that need special care. Wrinkles. Small lines or folds in fabric, usually caused by folding or heat. If you want to learn how to confidently ask for help while shopping for toiletries and essentials in English, click the video here or follow the link in the description.